I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your little menu app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. You just click on settings here. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for a little menu app. You just click on search. So then here add it'll menu, just click on it. So you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for soap, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here. You just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just restart your phone, install it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.